In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your task management and ensure nothing slips through the cracks, then you're in the right place. Setting up recurring tasks is the perfect way to handle tasks that happen regularly, saving you time and effort in the long run. Let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Go ahead and open up Trello in your preferred web browser and find the login button. Once you've clicked on login, Trello offers several easy ways to sign in. I recommend using the Google option for a quick and seamless experience. Simply click on Google and select your account from the list. Now that you're logged in, head over to your Trello board where you want to set up recurring tasks. Once you're inside your designated board, you'll want to navigate to power-ups. This is where the magic happens. You'll find all sorts of features that extend Trello's functionality. So go ahead and click on power-ups. In the power-ups menu, you'll see an option to add power-ups. Click on that and this will take you to a search bar where you can find new tools to enhance your Trello experience. Now it's time to type in card repeater. This is the power-up that will enable you to set tasks to recur automatically. Once you see it in the search results, click on Add to include it in your board. You might need to wait a minute or two for the add-on to fully integrate, but don't worry, it doesn't take long. Once it's added, return to your board and locate the specific card you'd like to make recurring. Click on that card to open its details. On the right hand side, you'll now see a repeat option. This is where you can fine-tune when and how your task repeats. Clicking repeat will prompt you to choose the date and time settings for your recurring task. You can decide the frequency, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or at custom intervals, and set the exact time you want this task to appear. Make sure you think ahead about when you typically have time for this task so that it smoothly integrates into your routine. After you've set your preferred schedule, the final step is to click on Save. This will lock in your settings, and voila. Your task is now set to recur automatically according to your specifications. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Trello, helping you keep your workload organized and efficient without needing any manual intervention each time. With this feature, you can focus on what really matters, knowing that recurring tasks are neatly scheduled for you. Happy task managing, and I'll see you in the next video.